Mountains of North. In the northern parts of India lies the highest mountain range in the world, the Himalayas. It also one of the youngest mountain range in the world. The word Himalaya in Sanskrit means the abode of snow. It is named so because several of its peaks remain covered with snow throughout the year. Himalayas act as a natural boundary separating India from the rest of Asia. Location: the Himalaya extending from the state of Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the east and cover a distance of about 2,500 kilometer. 2,500 kilometer. Mount Everest is the highest peak of the range, 8,850 meter, and it lies in Nepal. In India, the highest peak of the Himalayas is the Kanchenjunga, 8,586 meter, which lies in the state of Sikkim. The Himalayan range. The Himalayas are divided into three important ranges or chain on the basis of height. The ranges run parallel to each other. The Greater Himalayas or Himadri. The Greater Himalayas are the northernmost range among the three ranges. This range is the tallest of the Himalayas. The mountains of the range have steep slope and sharp crest with an average height of above 6,000 meter. Due to their great height, most peaks are covered with snow all year round. Mount Nanda Devi in Uttarakhand is a part of this range. Several glaciers cover the Greater Himalayas. When glaciers begin to melt, they give rise to many mighty rivers. For example, the Gangotri Glacier is the source of the river Ganga. To the north of the Great Himalayas lies the Trans-Himalayan region with several ranges such as the Jagsar, Ladakh and Kailash. It is one of the coldest regions of the world. The high mountain wall have gaps in some places that serve as pathway called passes. These passes have enabled people to cross the mountain range. Some of the famous passes in the Himalayas are Rohtang, Spikala, etc. The Lesser Himalayas or Himachal. The Lesser Himalayas are located below the Greater Himalayas and have an average height of about 4,500 meter. In India, the Pir Panjal range in Kashmir and Dhauladhar range in Himachal Pradesh are a part of the Lesser Himalayas. In between such mountains lies beautiful valleys. For example, place in Kashmir and the Kullu Valley are famous tourist destinations. Famous hill stations such as Shimla, Nainital and Darjeeling are located in the Lesser Himalayas. Tourists visit these places in large number to escape from the summer heat. The Outer Himalayas or Shivalik. The Outer Himalayan range lies between the Lesser Himalayas in the north and the northern plains towards in south. It has an average height of less than 1500 meter. Due to their low height, the outer Himalayas are known as hills instead of mountain. Being the southernmost range, these are called the foothills of the Himalayas. In the eastern part of the Himalayas extend till the Brahmaputra valley and then bend southward, forming the Purvanchal range. The hills of this eastern range form a natural boundary between India and its neighboring countries such as Bangladesh and Myanmar. Some of these hills are the Garo, Khasi, Naga and Mizo hills. Importance of the Himalayas. The Himalayas are of great importance to us. Number 1. The tall mountains block the severely cold wind that blow towards India from the north of the Himalayas in winter. They not only protect people but also the crops from such harsh climate. The mountain also bring rain by preventing the wet winds that come into India from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal from blowing further north. The mountain also bring rain by preventing the wet winds that come into India from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal from blowing further north, part of the country. The Himalayas stand in the way of these monsoon clouds. The moisture-laden cloud strike the side of the mountain, rise up and cool and down as rain. This side is called the windward side. The winds then certain very little moisture as they move to the other side of the mountain. This is called the leeward side of the rain shadow area. A diagrammatic representation of windward and leeward side of a mountain. Snow in Himalayas melt in summer and provide water to numerous rivers that have their source here. These snow-fed rivers carry water and fertile soil the plains. These help the farmer to grow crops all year around. The forest in the lower slope provide valuable timber or wood that can be used for various purposes.